morning, boys and girls. We're going to bring you to Letterland today and go over some of our letters and introduce you to your 2 new Letterlanders. All right, let's take a look at our board. Who is this Letterlander? That's Dippy Duck. And what sound does he make? Diff. That's great. Who is this Letterlander? That's Golden Girl. What's her sound? Goof, 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 goof. Great job. Who is this Letterlander? That's Lucy Lamplight. What's her sound? Oh. Who is this Letterlander? That's Peter Puppy. And what's his sound with his long, droopy ears? Very quiet in words. We've got 2 new Letterlanders we're going to introduce you to today, and this is Sammy Snake. He says in words, and he starts words like sad and sand and 6, and he says a sound when he talks. Here's the sun that Sammy Snake loves to sleep in. Here's Sammy Snake sleeping in the sun. Here's the number 7, one of our number words. He also has the number 6. All right. Our other Letterlander we're going to meet is Talking Tess. She likes to talk on her telephone. This is what Talking Tess looks like in our books that we're going to see. Talking Tess loves to visit her pet tiger at the zoo, the Letterland Zoo. She loves to talk on her telephone, but this is what a telephone looked like when we had them in our house. Most of us have cell phones now. This is a landline because it's got a line that connects to our house. And Talking Tess is also the beginning of number 10. And that's how many telephones Talking Tess has in her office. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have fun in Letterland.